Hey guys, I'm back with a new video, and today I'll be sharing with you guys a simple technique that I use to improve my smartphone's battery life. So this is a really simple technique and an obvious one, but it's not something that I have seen many people use, or I haven't seen anybody use it at all. So you have probably noticed that your smartphones do get heated up, especially on the reverse side whenever you charge it, and heat is not something that is great for batteries. So it is best that if you take away the heat from the reverse side of your phone while charging, it's going to help improve your battery life. And when I say battery life, it's the total capacity of the battery. That is, the batteries, suppose most batteries are manufactured with a specific capacity, for example like 3000 mAh, and as you use it, the capacity comes down, and eventually in a couple of years you will have to replace them. So by applying this technique, you can ensure that you will have to replace your batteries less frequently. So all you have to do is just get some sort of small object and place the phone on it while charging. So what happens is that so there's much better airflow, and hence there will be much less heating, and because of that the smartphone's battery life will be far better, because there is much less heat trapped in the battery compartment. And also if you have an air-conditioned space, do go there and charge your phone over there, like in your office space, or if there is a room in your home which is air-conditioned, go and charge your phone over there. That will cool your phone down much faster, and that will help improve your battery life. But that doesn't mean that you should go ahead and turn on the air conditioner for charging the battery. That is not a wise thing to do. So just by following the simple technique, you can ensure that you will have to replace your batteries less frequently, and that you get the very best out of them. So until next time, bye. And don't forget to subscribe if you like this video, and hit that bell notification. And I'm sure all your friends and family members are smartphone users too, so do go ahead and share this video with them. So until next time, goodbye.